When you say someone fails to vote down ballot and they only voted for Biden, what does that mean, sir?
Well, for example, in Georgia, we had a number of candidates for U.S. Senate, 2 Senate races, and we had a lot of judgeships, we had state legislators, etc. So that's the down ballot vote, all the election contests below the president and vice president. So the down ballot vote is taking place in many of these states. It's all going to have to be redone. Fortunately, our founders, our founding fathers were smart enough that we have an electoral college that will allow us to still elect President Trump in December. So we're going to have a president, even though Joe Biden's trying to give the false image that he's the president-elect. That's a media title. That's not a legitimate title. He'd get that if he got the electoral college vote. They're trying to set up a shadow government so that when some things happen in the near term, you're going to have confusion in the country, I believe. You're going to have a lot of problems in this country because the step 2 was to steal the election, give a shadow government some alleged authority from the media, and then have people in chaos, not really sure who won the presidency, although Trump won it in a landslide historic election, because the bottom line is the communists who have infiltrated our country by ideology, by corruption, by extortion. For the last 20 years, they've been infiltrating our government officials at the state, local, and national level, and they've decided some time ago that 2020 is when they're going to try to take over our country. So we're in the middle of a coup. It's going to look like a civil war, but it's a revolutionary war in disguise of a civil war. We're going to have some tough days ahead, in my view, but America's going to come out on top. If there's a communist behind every other tree, there's an American patriot behind every blade of grass. And the last time I counted at my house, there were more blades of grass than there were trees.